What's up, guys? We're gonna go hiking on Horsetooth today, which, if you don't know, it's a super,
If you don't know, don't learn about it.
Well, apparently Chase doesn't like it that much because it's kind of overhyped and bandwagon or whatever.
Don't
but
come so I can have parking spaces to go.
yeah, we're probably not gonna have parking. But anyway, it's gonna be fun.
And here's a Asian American.
What is it, like?
Show 'em
6
Asian
miles?
American.
I think it's 6 miles there and back, so it should be fun. So going to Horsetooth failed. Way too many people parked there. Probably a bunch of college kids that just wanted to get super drunk and hike. So now we're looking around and we can't really find any other hiking spots that are at least good. So I don't know. We're just gonna drive around forever until we find something. So wish us luck. We're at Carter Lake and Chase got pamphlets.
Well, I guess that way is where we have to pay. Well, we already.
Well, this is only a pay station.
Chase got some pamphlets, so maybe those will help. I don't know.
Let's see.
Read the pamphlet.
Pick up our parking permit real quick, and then we can go take our 2 hikes.
The man makes us pay for our Nature's Cluck tour.
The man is making us pay.
For shit they don't even upkeep.
Alright guys, we're at the Ramsey Shockey Open Space Trailhead at the Pinewood Reservoir.
Don't ask for directions because we won't give them.
I don't know what the 2 ones were called, but we're taking 2 hikes today. Altogether it's going to be 4 miles, so it's going to be a good workout. Plus this is my first hike of the year. And no, actually, is it? Oh yeah, it's all our first hikes of the year.
And it looks promising so far.
That looks really cool. It's going straight into the trees. There's no water in the reservoir at all. You can walk across it.
I was thirsty.
Chase drank it all. The government's destroying the wildlife. Don't kill the nature.
Don't worry, I'm gonna chain myself up to it.
Alright guys, who's taking the first step?
I am.
Chase is. Tiny steps the whole way.
You are here. Okay.
Where are we?
Is there any cool cabins or anything?
What's it say?
Go up here and make a loop.
Oh, here's the bus tool.
We go up and make a loop, and then we can loop back this way, or we can go all the way around. I don't think we want to hit the whole road.
Well, we could do this.
This goes all the way around. I think we want to make.
Oh wait,
a
we're
loop.
there. Okay.
We're here. I think we are just.
Okay.
Okay, let's just walk. We'll figure it out. And so the story begins.
Brittany just took a shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Damn.
back here.
Brittany's already dropping loafs, and we're only 10 seconds into it.
Yeah, look at this. Hold on, guys. Nature's club right there.
That's my girlfriend's butthole.
Good job, Brittany.
I think that's a horse.
No, it's not.
You're a dietitian though. You eat a bunch of stuff.
Brittany doesn't know anything about nature. Me and Chase are nature as fuck. We're hiking in nature, but all we're doing is taking pictures and using our phones.
want to take him for... Yeah.
Ooh, we got a photographer back here.
You're good at shit at it, to be honest. I'm really good at playing people.
Well, I'm sort of not really good at making vlogs, so there we go. I don't know how YouTube works. Maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Taking a quick break.
Oh, I hope we go up in there. See the top of those rocks there? Not that back.
I don't know. I don't think we will go up there. Where is it? I'm talking about those rocks up there. It'd be kind of cool, but I think wraps around this way, goes around that way, just around the mountain.
Oh, that's what that's for. Okay.
But I feel like we're not doing too bad for the first hike.
No, I don't think we are.
A little tired, but it's not that bad. Found a pretty cool rock formation. It's a bunch of rocks.
This is where earth witches do their pagan rituals to enlarge their clitoris.
Or earthbenders. Someone cut that tree down. That's sad. Oh no, little tree.
What?
Oh god, this is harder than it looks. Guys, it's hard to videotape while
Babe, how's
you're
that
climbing.
water taste? Huh? Okay.
I'm on the top of the world. Typical white girls think their nature is fuck. Nope.
Did you see that one girl?
You don't carry a Dolce & Gabbana bag when you go hiking. Oh my god. We've decided to let Brittany lead because she's the most nature person here.
Exhibit A, pine cone in the pack.
Yeah, exhibit A. She has picked up a pine cone.
She's gonna make a whole, what do you call those? Yurt.
She's gonna make a bird feeder, which if you guys have never been in kindergarten before, put peanut butter and bird seed in the pine cone and you just put it on a table. There you go, 10-second crafts by Justin. Chase now thinks he's gonna get attacked by a bear because I started mentioning what would you do if a bear attacked you and why isn't your knife out of your bag right now?
Now I have a gun.
So now he took it out. There we go, he's safe. See? He's safe. Brittany's actually doing a great job leading us. She might be pretty nature as fuck. She found the cactus. She knows her plants. Brittany now gets the badge, nature as fuck. The first hike is coming to a close, unfortunately. It was super quick, but it was still nice, right guys?
Yeah, a little bit uphill, a little bit downhill, and then a boom lake.
Yep, wasn't too hard. See, the lake's super pretty. There, they can see you now, Chase. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Brittany, say hi to YouTube. Oh, why? Because everyone wants to see your guys'
All
faces.
30 people.
All 30 people on my channel
I love
get
you
to
guys.
see your guys'. Wait, where does this go?
Let's do the long one.
Okay, we're going this way. Keep you updated. This is the area where everyone fishes. Let's see. It's just a nice little cove part. It's pretty neat. There you go, guys. Our hike came to an end. We're gonna go check out another lake just to see what it looks like, but it's a pretty good hike. What was it like? We went around 4 miles probably.
We did about 4. Yeah.
4 miles or so.
Look at this, a little bit further.
It was a good starter hike from coming back, being rusty, but I don't know. Great day, beautiful outside, a little windy, but see you guys. Hiking fact 342, when you're dehydrated, when you're hiking, your hands get all puffy. Right, Chase?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. You're dehydrated, your hands get all puffy.
It's a very
so.
early sign though. You're not gonna.
All of our hands feel really, really weird right now. But yeah. Alright guys, there's my nature vlogging video. Today, me and my friends went out and we had a great time hiking. It was a little tiresome because I haven't hiked in a very, very long time, so I was dying, but we had a great 4-mile hike. It was kind of sad when we got done because I missed hiking a lot. I haven't done it in years, but I don't know. I'm going to try and get some more nature vlogs out when I go hiking, whenever I do. But when that does happen, I'll upload the videos. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm Neo Jolly J, and stay jolly.
Yo!